Hello everyone, we are here again in the jungle to find the second contestant of this fitness competition, and let's search for it actually. But is that an airplane, man? Oh my god, whoa! JJ!
Hi guys, so my name is Jason, I'm from Switzerland, and my hobbies are like snowboarding and skis. I love going with friends snowboarding, and also as a hobbies I do skydiving that I also did in the military in the past. So in my life, I'm a student and I'm attending the University of St. Gallen. My favorite exercise is push-ups because it really tests your strengths and also your mentality, and also because I did it in the military. So one message for my opponents is good game, fair play, and let's do it.